Open the ABENA San and fold the pad lengthways with the back sheet turned outwards and form it like a bowl. Pull the fixation pants halfway down the legs. Hold the pad in the middle and pass it between the legs from the front to the back. The wide side should be facing backwards during this procedure. Please ensure that the pad fits properly in the groin area. Stretch the ABENA San widthways at the back and straighten it. Pull up the fixation pants at the back first. Make sure the wetness indicator is parallel to the perineum. Then, stretch the pad widthways at the front and smooth it out as well. Pull the front of the fixation pants entirely over the ABENA San until a comfortable fit and optimal security is provided.